Today we're taking a look at Power Blast Plus, a hose attachment marketed as an easy way to transform your regular garden hose into a serious pressure washer, promising faster, easier outdoor cleaning while leaning heavily on countdown timers, limited time discounts, and low stock warnings to push people toward a purchase. So, does it actually deliver? I dug into the product claims, marketing tactics, comparable products, and customer feedback to find the biggest warning signs before you spend your money. Let's start with the core claim that Power Blast Plus can turn your ordinary hose into a high-pressure powerhouse using something called maximum hydraulic amplification. That's simply not realistic because a garden hose nozzle has no motor or pump, so it has no way to actually boost water pressure the way an electric or gas pressure washer does. All it can do is squeeze the same amount of water through a smaller opening, and basic fluid dynamics tells us that without adding outside energy, a nozzle alone can't meaningfully raise pressure. That kind of exaggerated promise fits right in with the site's broader marketing tactics, which lean on phrases like limited time offer, save 50%, countdown clocks, low stock, and 15,000 plus happy customers to manufacture urgency again and again. These scarcity tricks are built to rush your decision, not to prove the product actually works, and that pattern shows up again once you look at where the product actually comes from. Because Power Blast Plus looks less like an original product and more like a relabeled generic hose nozzle. The same or a nearly identical attachment turns up on Amazon under a completely different brand, right down to the design, accessories, and advertised features, suggesting buyers may be paying extra for a name, not for anything unique. And that becomes even clearer once you dig into customer feedback on that same style of attachment sold under other brands, where a pattern emerges. Digging through the one-star negative reviews of this same product under a different name, people report barely any pressure boost over a regular hose, connections that leak, missing instructions, and a product that doesn't match what's shown in the ads. Multiple reviewers called it a waste of money that didn't come close to the cleaning power promised in the marketing. So, while the marketing frames Power Blast Plus as a stand-in for a real pressure washer, the evidence tells a different story. Nearly identical versions exist under other brand names, and real customer reviews consistently describe underwhelming results. Before you buy, it's worth comparing it to similar products, checking independent reviews, and keeping in mind that a hose attachment simply can't replace what an actual pressure washer can do.